Hello, my wonderful friends. Have you ever wondered why so many people study English for a long time, yet still find it hard to speak with confidence? It isn't because they aren't trying hard. It isn't because they aren't smart. It's because they are only practicing their brain and not their voice. Let's think about this together. You can learn all the grammar rules. You can understand many books. You can get great scores on tests. But when it's time to actually talk, your words feel stuck, your mind goes blank, and that sure feeling inside just slips away. The real answer is quite simple. To speak English in a natural and confident way, you have to train your mouth, not only your thoughts. Think of it like this. You didn't learn to ride a bike by only reading a big book about it. You learned by getting on the bike, wobbling, maybe falling, trying once more, and slowly finding your balance. Speaking English is just the same. It's not about how much English you have in your head. It's about how much English your mouth has actually said. Today, I want to walk with you through the simple steps to train your voice, not just your mind, so you can start to speak English smoothly, easily, and with true confidence. Please stay with me, because when we finish, you'll know the secret and have some easy daily practices that can change your English quicker than you might think. First, let's look at the most common error learners make. Many students think fluency comes from what you know, but fluency doesn't just stay in your brain. It lives in the muscles of your mouth, your lips, your tongue, and your throat. That's right, speaking is a physical skill too, not only a mental one. When you train your mouth, you are building muscle memory. Like a singer practices their scales or a dancer repeats their steps, you must practice talking until your mouth can move easily without having to stop and think. Now, consider little children. How did they learn their first language? Do they read grammar guides? Do they study vocabulary cards? No, of course not. They listen and copy. They imitate. They try sounds over and over until speaking feels normal. And this is the exact same secret for you. If you want to speak English confidently, stop waiting for the perfect thought. Instead, begin saying small sentences out loud again and again until your mouth feels at home. So, let's get to the practical part. To truly train your mouth, you need simple daily speaking habits. Don't worry, they are easy, they are short, and they are very effective. Habit 1. The echo method. Pick a short piece of English audio. It could be from a podcast, a film, or a video. Listen to just a few seconds. Play it again, and this time speak right along with it, like an echo. Copy the person's rhythm, their tone, their speed. Don't translate. Don't think too hard. Your only job is to imitate. Doing this daily makes your mouth more flexible, like stretching a muscle. Habit 2. Repeat key sentences. Choose 5 helpful sentences you might really use. For example, could you please repeat that? Or, I thought the book was interesting. Say each one many times, slowly and with good, clear energy. Do this each morning. In just weeks, these sentences will come out of your mouth without any effort. Habit 3. Listen to yourself. This is a powerful tool. Use your phone to record yourself speaking English for just 1 minute, then play it back. At first, it might feel a little strange. That's okay. But believe me, this is one of the fastest ways to get better. You will hear your own mistakes, you will hear your own improvement, and your quiet confidence will start to grow. When you listen, you might notice if a word was unclear or if you were rushing. That's great. Now you can fix it. Just 1 minute a day. Small actions lead to big changes. Habit 4. Talk to yourself. You don't need a partner to practice. Don't wait for a special time. Just speak to yourself. If you are boiling the water, say it out loud. I am boiling the water. Now I'm putting the tea in the cup. It smells wonderful. This simple habit teaches your mouth to link English directly with what you are doing. No translating, no overthinking. This is how you gently move past the fear of speaking. Habit 5. Answer in many ways. Pick one easy question, like, "What did you do today?" Now, answer it using different ideas. "Today, I finished my work early. I also called my sister. Later, I plan to cook dinner." This gives your mouth flexibility. So next time someone asks you something, your mind won't stop. You'll already have natural replies ready. Now, you might be thinking, but I still feel nervous when I try to speak. That is so normal. Every single learner feels this. Confidence isn't something you find and then have forever. Confidence is something you build, piece by piece. Here's the truth. Your mind might still want to think in your first language, but your mouth is learning a brand new dance. So when you speak, allow the small errors. Don't battle them. Don't stop your sentence. Just keep going. Because confidence isn't about being perfect. Confidence is about having the heart to continue. Every little mistake is just a sign that you are training your mouth, and with every word you speak aloud, you are building a stronger, more natural English voice for yourself. Always remember this: fluency isn't only in the mind, fluency is on the tongue. So, let's put it all together. When you only study grammar and words, you are training your mind. That is helpful, but it is not complete. Real, natural fluency arrives when you train your mouth. Every single day, give your voice the practice it needs. Echo native speakers, repeat your key sentences, record and listen to yourself. Talk about what you're doing, answer questions in different ways. These small, kind habits build that muscle memory, and muscle memory is what creates effortless fluency. Now, picture yourself 6 months from today. You meet someone new. They ask you a question in English, and instead of feeling stuck, your answer comes out smoothly, naturally, and confidently. No big fear, no pause, just easy, simple communication. That is the power of training your mouth. That is the real key to speaking English naturally. So don't just learn English, use it, speak it, let it flow. And always remember, confidence doesn't come from staying quiet. It comes from the practice of speaking out loud. Every word you say brings you closer to your goal. So, my dear friends, we have shared a very important idea today. Remember, the secret is to use your voice every single day. Small steps, big changes. If you enjoyed our time together and found this helpful, I would be so grateful if you could support our community. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, English Voices. By subscribing, you'll never miss our next meeting. You'll get more simple tips, gentle practices, and kind encouragement straight to your feed. It's your reminder to keep your practice alive and to keep your voice growing stronger. Together, we can build a wonderful space where everyone feels supported to speak. Thank you so much for your time and for trusting me with your practice. I believe in your journey completely. Don't forget to subscribe to English Voices. I can't wait to continue this journey with you. Until next time, keep speaking, keep believing, and keep sharing your unique voice with the world. Bye for now.